Devices configuration. To configure Axxon Smart Pro, you do not need to know the IP addresses of all your cameras. Our video management system automatically locates all IP video devices connected to the local network. Plug and play. Automatic device discovery lists IP devices and their microphones, embedded speakers, and all additional capabilities of network cameras. All the operator has to do is configure how exactly these tools will be employed. Embedded video analytics. Axxon Smart Pro supports embedded video camera analytics. The benefits are lower CPU usage on the server and better video analytics performance. First off, embedded IP camera analytics process tons of video and feed the digest, i.e. metadata, to the VMS. Moreover, in-camera processors have access to raw, uncompressed video. This helps ensure more stable operation of the onboard video analytics under difficult conditions. Dual streaming. Suppose your camera can send two video streams in both the MJPEG and H.264 formats. Then it would be sensible to use the higher compression H.264 stream for archiving, while using the easily decompressed MJPEG stream for viewing at a workstation. With this dual stream support, you'll save disk space on the server and unload the CPU at the client workstation. Drivers Pack. Integration of IP devices into Axxon Smart Pro is implemented through Drivers Pack. Currently, the module supports over 700 models of IP cameras and IP video servers. The number of supported devices is growing fast. The latest version of the Drivers Pack is available for free download on the Axxon Soft website and can be hot-plugged. Standard layouts. Here is another convenient way for scrolling through all cameras. Use the predefined system layouts, 2x2 cameras, 3x3 cameras, 4x4, and so on. While scrolling through cameras, the layout does not change, rather the cameras change in the same layout. For example, in 2x2 mode, the first 4 cameras will show first, and then the next 4, and so on. User layouts. Both the monitors and video cameras may have different aspect ratios, 4x3, 5x4, 16:9, and others. As a result, the images from the cameras may be laid out on the screen unevenly, with large empty spaces. In order to optimize the placement of camera images on the screen, Axxon Smart Pro can create custom layouts. Depending on the aspect ratio of the camera and that of the monitor screen, an optimal grid of camera images can be laid out on the screen, and this grid may have a complex configuration. In custom layouts, each camera receives a fixed position on the screen. These layouts can be stored and scrolled through. Interactive map. Axxon Smart Pro offers a multi-layered interactive map that provides instant situational awareness and the ability to interactively access and control cameras. All cameras within the current layout are color-coded. Colors indicate the camera's status. You can also hide or show the camera's field of view and their names. For clear view, the user can tilt the map. Multi-level maps make it easy to navigate to the alarmed camera and identify an incident location. Alarm management. Handle alarms fast and securely. Only critical events will draw your attention, and you'll never miss them. After reviewing an event's footage, the operator is required to assess the alert according to a 3-tiered scale: false alarm, situation that requires further analysis, or critical alarm. The alerts must be reviewed and assessed within a predefined time frame. If the alert is not classified before that time period expires, then the event is registered as a missed detection. This helps monitor the operator's work performance. Video archive. Axxon Smart Pro provides new opportunities for managing video storage. You can create any number of video archives of any size. Each camera feed can be directed to one or several archive volumes. Here you can see the user has created 2 archives. One is for continuous recording at a low frame rate, and the other, a specially dedicated alarm archive, storing only footage of alarm events with a high frame rate. Axxon FS. At Axxon Soft, we accounted for the fact that during loop recording, the most recent data would overwrite the oldest. We developed our own proprietary file system, Axxon FS, specifically for storing video archives. Axxon FS makes it possible to write an unformatted physical or logical disk, provided that the disk is fully allocated to video storage. Due to optimization of the read-write process, the tangible benefits you get are read-write speeds near the physical limit of the hard disk, the service life of the hard disk increases, no video data fragmentation occurs. Storage reliability. One of the key development requirements for Axxon FS was maximum preservation of data in the event of random disk sector damage. Axxon FS does not allocate separate blocks for critically important file system information, whose loss could render all accumulated data inaccessible. Thus, in Axxon FS, damage to any data block on the disk causes only that particular block to be inaccessible, not the entire video archive. This helps maximize video storage reliability, which is absolutely crucial to video surveillance systems. Video and audio detectors. Axxon Smart Pro incorporates a powerful system for video image analysis. 10 video and 2 audio detection tools take care of the scene monitoring. You can customize all of them to your specific needs. State-of-the-art video analytics allow Axxon Smart Pro to recognize a variety of user-defined situations. A video, audio, or sensor alarm can be configured to trigger one or a combination of the following responses. Record video from the camera. Send an SMS message to one or several phone numbers. Send email notification to one or several addresses. Play a voice message. Send a signal to an actuating device relay switch connected to the camera. Switch to alarm handling mode, or turn the PTZ camera in a user-defined direction. Forensic search. Another unique feature, the Smart Forensic Search, allows for quick retrieval of video footage that meets user-defined criteria. You will have video footage for all line crossing, motion in the zone, and other events at your fingertips. Fine-tune your search with filters like maximum and minimum speed, object color, or the size of the moving object. To locate recordings of specific events, all you have to do is enter the appropriate search criteria. For example, draw your virtual tripwire and specify the size of the objects of interest. Within seconds, the system will retrieve all records matching the user's query. The search is performed using metadata, that is, the parameters of objects moving in the scene. These are lean text strings, and this is why you instantly get the first search hits. Time compressor. Set the time span for your video footage and get video clips of all moving objects in the scene. The simultaneous presentation of multiple objects and activities that have occurred at different times is made possible through real-time rendering. Objects and events are displayed simultaneously in a condensed video clip. You can jump to the event of interest and view it in the usual playback mode.